Ask Micah Anything, AARI edition. A user via Twitter asks, I keep hearing about AARI. What is it actually and what does it do? So AARI stands for Automation Anywhere Robotic Interface. And it's just like your digital assistant that you might use at home, right? So whether you're using Google or you use Alexa or some other smart device, it's a lot like that, except it's your assistant at work. And so, for example, if you're processing a loan, right, the contact center agent might initiate a request for a new loan via AARI in the browser. And so that AARI request might trigger one or multiple bots to gather a bunch of information and allow that user to process the loan request intelligently, right? They get all this data from all these different systems and they can use that to then process the request more quickly as opposed to them going to each of those systems individually. The other nice thing is when they need to process that loan request into underwriting, AARI can also be used there. And so when that task is available, the underwriters can then take over that task and choose whether they want to approve or deny it and use bots to assist in that process. Before AARI, this ongoing interaction between humans and bots wasn't really possible. Users could start a bot, but they didn't have a way to contribute to what the bot was doing or handle exceptions so the bot could resume processing without any kind of weird intervention. So that's where AARI really fits in. Thanks for your question. This has been Ask Micah Anything, AARI edition.